In today's video, I'll be going over the 5 credit cards that you must have if you have bad or no credit. There are hundreds of credit cards available, and you've probably seen a lot of ads online or in the mail about which ones to apply for. And I personally know it's super tough to choose which ones make sense for your personal credit situation. Whether you're new to the credit card game or want to rebuild some damaged credit, all of these cards are perfect for people who are looking to build credit. Before we get into the video, please smash the like button and subscribe for more future content if you like this type of content. Let's first go over why building credit history is so important. Your credit history, or often called your credit report, is your record of performance as a borrower and a user of credit. A positive credit history with little to no delinquencies or no late payments indicates that you're reliable and financially responsible. Improving your credit score can help with getting a better interest rate when you're applying for a loan or a credit card, upgrading a credit card, refinancing a mortgage to a lower rate, getting better insurance rates, and requesting higher credit limits. Most credit card issuers report your spending habits and payment history to one of the 3 major credit reporting agencies. These agencies compile this information with reports from other lenders, such as your mortgage company, to create your overall credit score and credit report. Having a great credit score is crucial in being successful financially, so let's go over the cards that may be able to help you kickstart your credit building journey. The first card on this list is Discover It's Secured Card. Discover It's Secure Credit Card is a secured credit card. Now what this actually means is that in order for you to start using it, you have to secure the card by depositing money into it. The money that you deposit into your credit card then becomes your line of credit, which you can use like a regular credit card. For example, let's say you wanted to deposit $200 into the card. Once you deposit that $200 will become your line of credit that you could use freely. Or if you want to put in a higher deposit like $1,000, once you put in the $1,000, that $1,000 will become your line of credit. But let's not get a secured card confused with a prepaid card. Prepaid cards are different from secured credit cards in that they're not that great. Prepaid cards typically don't report any of your credit activity to the 3 major credit reporting agencies, which is literally one of the most important parts of being able to build credit at this stage. The Discover It's Secured Credit Card reports all of its credit activity to the 3 major credit reporting agencies, so it's a real credit card. So if you use this card responsibly, it'll have a positive impact on your credit score. Now, why is this card first on this list? Well, I picked this card first because despite it being a secured credit card, this card comes jam-packed with rewards, benefits, and perks, just like an unsecured credit card. You'll get 2% back at gas stations and restaurants up to $1,000 every 3 quarters, plus unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Discover will also go ahead and match your cash back at the end of your first year with their unlimited cashback match perk. This card will also return your security deposit that you pay at the beginning after 8 months of responsible use. You'll also be able to check your FICO credit score for free through their app or on the website. The card's APR, otherwise known as the annual percentage rate, which is the interest rate you pay for any unpaid balances that you carry over on a yearly basis, sits at around 24.49%. However, this APR score should not apply to you if you're using your credit card responsibly, since there should be no reason you're carrying over a balance from your previous month. Doing this hurts your credit score and will make you pay money that's totally unnecessary. For a secured credit card, Discover is being very generous by offering all of these benefits and perks that usually don't come with a secured credit card. And it gets even better. This card has no annual fee, no monthly fees, no over limit fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no late fees on your first late payment. All of these reasons is why the Discover It's Secured Credit Card is first on this list. Coming in second on this list is Bank of America's Customized Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card. This card is without a doubt one of the best secured credit cards on the market right now. Like the previous card, this card is also a secured credit card, so you're required to deposit a minimum of $200 before you are able to use the card. This $200 then becomes your line of credit, which you can use to start building your credit. This card's main benefit is that it has one of the highest percentage cashbacks ever on a secured credit card. You'll get 3% cash back in a category of your choice. This could be gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvement. You'll also earn 2% back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs like Sam's Club and Costco. You'll also earn unlimited cash back on all other purchases. Similar to the previous card, this card has no annual fees or monthly fees. This card will also return your security deposit if you qualify. This card's annual percentage rate or APR sits at around 25.49%, but like I mentioned earlier, this percentage should not apply to you if you're using your credit card responsibly. This card also gives you the ability to check your FICO credit score through the app or on the website. The third card on this list is Capital One's Platinum Secured Credit Card. This card is great for anyone who has a damaged credit score and wants to rebuild their credit. Due to this factor, most people who apply will be accepted. This card has no annual fee and no monthly fees, and since it's a MasterCard, it will be accepted anywhere just like Visa. The only drawback about this card is that it currently does not offer any type of rewards. However, the biggest benefit of this card is that it has a flexible security deposit. Most other secured credit cards have a set minimum deposit required that has to match penny for penny, but for this card, as long as you provide either a $49 or $99 deposit, your line of credit will automatically be set at $200. Capital One will also consider you for a higher credit limit if you demonstrate responsible use via 6 months of on-time payments. The next card on this list is Capital One's Quicksilver Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card. This credit card is perfect for anyone with low to fair credit that would like to continue building their credit up. Capital One says anyone with limited credit history can be approved. Like most cards on this list, this card is also a secured credit card, which requires a $200 minimum deposit. However, this deposit is refundable, which makes the card actually easier to get. This card also has no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. The biggest benefit of this card is that it gives you 1.5% to 5% cash back on every purchase every day. I personally think that this is one of the best benefits from a secured credit card that you can get. Another big benefit of this card is a $0 fraud liability. This basically means that if there's an unauthorized charge through your credit card, you won't be responsible for the payment. That's a pretty good perk. The last card on this list is Pedal One's no annual fee Visa credit card. This card is great for anyone with poor or limited credit scores. The card itself is issued by WeBank, which is insured by the FDIC. This card is also a Visa card, so it will be accepted anywhere a Visa is accepted. The main difference of the Pedal One card compared to all the other cards on this list is that the Pedal One is an unsecured credit card. There's no security deposit required, but Pedal sets a credit limit for you, ranging from $300 to $5,000, depending on your credit worthiness if you get approved. This card also reports to the 3 major credit reporting agencies, so you can be assured that you're building your credit. This card also has no annual fee, no monthly fees, and no activation fees. The best benefit of this card is that you're able to get up to 10% cash back when you use this card to make purchases through select merchants. Everyone starts somewhere, and if you're new to the credit card game and the credit journey, or you've made mistakes in the past that have impacted your credit score, the 5 cards I mentioned above, in my personal opinion, are some of the best cards you can apply for to build your credit. If you can prove that you can use a secured credit card responsibly, this basically means that you'll be able to use an unsecured credit card responsibly just as well. Feel free to drop down in the comments what your favorite credit cards are. I would love to hear which credit cards you all use. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I create content on personal finance, entrepreneurship, investing, and personal growth. If you liked today's video and learned something, please smash the like button and subscribe for more future videos, as it really does help me out a lot at no cost to you. Always remember that your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock that full financial potential together. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.